One of the reasons that we decided to come to Digital Dealer and try to make a huge impact was we really want to not only pick up more dealerships, but really just try to make a name for ourselves in the automotive advertising industry. I feel like having a large booth here has given us a name for ourselves. It's had people walk around asking who we are, what we do, and want to learn more. So we're excited to see our company grow just from being here.
We love coming to Digital Dealer because some of the innovative dealers are here for sure. A lot of our partners are here as well. It's a great event. The best, most innovative dealers do come to Digital Dealer.
There's a lot of people here that are interested in making their dealerships better. This is a technology show. It's a digital show.
We've had some really good connections made. We've met a lot of different vendors and different groups, but we also met a lot of dealerships that are interested about our product. So yeah, we've had some really good connections come through from it.
What I like about Digital Dealer is not only do you get to see new prospects, but working with our customers to show them updates that we're doing. It's a great platform for us to really go out there and show what technology we are providing to our customers to show the future where we're going as a company.
You'd be hard pressed to find a place that has more forward-thinking people with a diverse background trying to come up with unique solutions for the same industry.
I think there's tremendous value in being able to meet with dealers face to face versus over over the phone or over email.
It's been absolutely great. We can't wait to try this again. And just to do something new and come here to Vegas, not a bad place to be.
Digital Dealer, why aren't you here yet?